Applicable yung 1-to-1 method sa mga ganitong klase ng sitwasyon dahil magagamit mo ito sa mga slow-moving traffic and heavy traffic situations. Yung 1-to-1 method, nagagamit ito kapag kailangan na yung takbo ng iyong sasakyan would not exceed around the 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. So yung tinutukoy po ng 1-to-1 method, so ito po yung ating first gear and second gear. So gagamitin po natin ngayon in this driving situation. So ipapakita ko sa iyo yan. So alis lang tayo dito sa pagkaka-parking. Signal lang ako. Handbrake off, clutch all the way down, first gear. At tayo ay lalabas dito sa pagkaka-parking. I'm just waiting for a safe opportunity. Okay, here's our safe opportunity. Okay. So 1-to-1 method. Ito, naka first gear na po tayo mga ka-fixit. Then as the speed increases and to build up, no? Pero dahil malubak, ayan, ginawasan ulit natin yung ating speed by letting off the gas. So first gear pa rin tayo. Signal tayo pa kanan at tayo po ilalabas dito sa subdivision. So first gear pa rin. As the speed increases around 20 kilometers per hour, shift tayo to second gear. Rev match, let go of the clutch all the way up.